Tersano SAO is simply the safest, most sustainable way to clean and sanitize my stores. With the COVID-19 outbreak, we needed to find a way to continue to operate our stores, but with a heightened sense of cleanliness and sanitation. For this, we turned to SAO. The most important thing to myself as a leader is the well-being of my team members. Tersano SAO gives me the peace of mind we're doing the best we can for them. With SAO, I don't have to worry about the clutter from sanitizer buckets, multiple SKUs of cleaner, or worst case scenario, over-ordering. With the ever-expanding set of responsibilities that a Dominos operator is tasked with, taking just one thing off the store manager's plate is a huge win. We just flip a switch, fill our spray bottles with SAO, and kill germs. It's that simple. SAO means my stores are clean and sanitized, my staff is safe, and my customers are happy.